So this is my first YouTube video. It might just be my last video. I just thought I would give it a shot and see what comes out of it. I'm 22. I've been a whole bunch of things and attempted a whole bunch of things and failed miserably, but I'm just asking YouTube what I should do with my life, and I have a list of things that I have personal interest in and what I really should do with those interests to live a happy and fulfilling life. So I wrote down a couple of things. Music. I love music. I love listening to music, and I love the creation of music and how natural it is. Traveling. I always like traveling. I wish I could travel to more places, see the world, which ties into activism and helping people, inform people through media, through journalism, and video and photography. So those are my main interests. I particularly like artistic things. I like food, but I did work in a kitchen and I did not like that whatsoever. So that's something that I will never do again, hopefully. So yeah, those are the couple of things that I like to do, and I just was pointing out to YouTube and wondering if anybody has any suggestions of what kind of area of life I should go, life and career I should go into, and just give me some guidance, some personal experiences, anything like that, just to help me figure out what it is that I should be doing and how I can give back as well. And so I just figured YouTube is a good community to partake in, and to just have fun with it, play with video, play with photos, hopefully have a blog. And I expect nobody to see this video, nobody to read a blog or read anything that I do. I'm so minuscule, but I just thought it would be a fun social experiment to see who actually sees my video, Anyway, so if you have any tips or suggestions as to what I should do, feel free to add me, or I don't even know, subscribe, whatever it is, or just message me, or put a like, who cares, just to see that somebody else is out there, somebody saw my video. And yeah, so I'm not even sure what I'm going to call this YouTube channel, but it's a fun thing to do and I enjoy it. So yeah, I'll talk to you later.